Hello, very good morning, everyone. So, okay, let me check who all are there. Everybody able to hear me and see me?
Yes, sir.
Very good morning. So, we have Bikash, Divya, Ritesh, Sajna Devi,
Good
Dhanu.
morning, sir.
Very good morning. We have Shubham, Mani, Astha, Meghna. Still half of the people, still 50% only I can see. Many people are still missing, but we'll start. Okay, Divya, how are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I'm very good. Ritesh, come join now. Okay. So as planned, okay, now people are joining slowly. I know in few minutes everybody will be there. So Hasta, how are you? So everybody able to see me? Yes, very good morning. Superb. So we'll talk about today's focus for next 2 hours is permutation and combination. It's a very important topic for modern maths and class 11, 12 topic, and for any competitive exam as well as school maths. It's an important thing, right? And it's not a difficult topic, but yeah, it's more a reasoning kind of topic. Logical maths, modern maths. Okay. Now, before I explain what is a permutation, and we are going to solve many questions, and you have to we're going to level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending upon how many questions you can solve. It's all depends on you guys. Okay. Now, permutation, instead of explaining the permutation, I'll explain you why we need such kind of things. Why we need. Any idea, Divya, why we need such kind of things? Meghna, any idea why you need permutation, combination kind of things? What is the basic reason? Speak everyone who are talking, please. Whatever you know, if you don't know, say I don't know, sir. Everyone audio is unmuted. You can speak. Why we need permutation? Meghna,
I don't know, sir.
no idea. What do you say, Sajna Devi?
No idea, sir.
Because you all would have learned in class 11, 12, right? No idea, anyone? Asta? I know, Asta, it's too early for you, but you will be knowing it, right? No idea. Okay, let me explain.
Sir,
Yes,
kind of like it's needed so that we can take a guess and estimate better.
not a guess. It is not about guessing or estimating, no. So I'll explain. Suppose everybody listen very carefully why we need this kind of thing. Suppose that we have three letters A, B, and C. And if I ask you, how many two-letter words can be formed from found by using A, B, C. We need only two-letter words. We can form by using A, B, and C. So obviously you will say, sir, you can form one word kind AB. You can say one word can be BA, one can be AC, one can be CA, one can be BC, one can be CB. And obviously you cannot repeat the letter again, right? So we can get 6 letters like that, 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 words we could form, right, everyone? But if I change the question and if I say then obviously it will be very big task, right? How many 4 letters can be formed from 4 letter words can be formed from A B C D F G? You will say A B C D, A B C, A B C F, A B C G, or B C E D, B C F G, B something. So there are two problems may happen. First, you may miss some. You may miss some to find out how many words can be formed. Secondly, it will take lot of time. Manually, it will take lot time. Correct? So, to make this process easy, we use something called permutation. Permutation is what we use it to find out number of arrangements. Instead of doing all this manual task, we use something called permutation, which says number of ways in which items can be arranged. Like previous question when we said A, B, C, D, in how many ways you can arrange so that A, B, A, C, A, B, C, A, C, all those. Instead of counting manually, you can use the concept. That way you save time, you will be 100% accurate. And that is written like this, N, P, R. I'll explain you what is N, what is P, what is R, but that is how we write N, P, R. It is given, it is means N is here, total number of items. When our question was A, B and C, so total number of items were A, B and C, total 3. R is items taken at a time. So when I said out of 3 letter ABC, we have to use 2 letter words. So R was 2. And this NPR is given by N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. I explained factorial also, somebody who are new, but it is given by N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. I'll give an example for that. Suppose if I say I have A, B, C and D and say E. How many 3-letter words can be formed? So here N is 5. Why 5? Because A, B, C, D, E, 5 letters. R is 3. Why R is 3? Because I said we need exactly 3-letter words. We can use only 3 at a time. So R is 3. Now, we have to find out how many total words you can form. Too easy. Instead of counting manually like A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E, A, D, E, you directly say number of forms or it becomes 5, P, 3. N is 5, R is 3. So, substitute the formula N factorial. So, 5 factorial. Divide by N minus R, 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. Now, 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial means same number, you multiply by 1, reduce it till you reach the 1. Divide by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 into 1. Obviously, when you solve 2 and 2 cancelled, 1 and 1 cancelled, 5, 4, 20, 60. Total 60 words can be formed. Even if you manually check, you will find 60 words only. That is the usefulness of permutation, and that is how permutation can be done. If anybody does not know the basic, please take a screenshot of this. That's your notes. That is what permutation is. Factorial means, suppose 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 7 factorial, 7 into 6 into like that till 1. Is it clear? Permutation basic concept is clear, everyone? Permutation means number of ways you arrange things. Here we arrange A, B, C, D, E such that you get 3-letter words. So A, B, C, D, E. How many 3-letter words can be formed? 60 words. For example, it can be ABC, it can be BCD, it can be CDE, it can be ACD, it can be ADE, like that. 60 words can be formed. Now, if I change the question and if I say table, how many 4-letter words can be formed from the word table? Tell me everybody the answer. How many 4-letter words can be formed from letters of the word table? Ritesh, how will you solve this? What is N here? And what is R here?
Sir, N is 5.
N is 5, R is
4.
4. So it becomes our 5P4, right?
Yes, sir.
So 5P4 is 5 factorial
5
divided
factorial
by
4
5 minus
factorial.
4, 1 factorial.
5 minus 4, 1 factorial.
So 120 words, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. How many 4-letter words? We can say 120 words can be formed. If I don't say 4-letter words, suppose if I use something, say cold, and I don't say 4-letter words, I just say how many words can be formed. Here I am not mentioning how much is N, how much is R. I am just saying how many words. When nothing is mentioned, how many letter words, it means you have to take all of them. Here N equal to 4, R also equal to 4. R cannot be more than N. R can be equal to N, or R will always be lesser than N. So 4P4 or 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 4, 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. 24 divided by 1, 24 words. Such a simple example. Okay, everyone? Now I'm going to give another question. Everybody should solve this, okay? Everybody write the answer. I want everyone so that I can understand that everybody is clear and then we can move on. Pencil. How many 4-letter words can be formed from the letter of the word pencil? Everybody write, please, everyone. All of 14 people. Because is it clear? Dhanu, is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Good. Dhanya, Mani, Meghna, Mushahid, Sajna Devi, Shubham, everyone I want. Wait, Asta went. Oh, Asta is there. Good. That is level 1, the basic of permutation. Kshitij, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. And Haram, I want everyone to get it. Everybody write the answer, please. Sajna Devi, how shall we solve this?
N must be 6.
Because total 6 letters.
Yes, sir.
R must be?
R equal to 4.
Because we need 4-letter words. So our permutation becomes 6P4.
Into
Correct?
6P4 equal to
6P4. So it will be equal to
4
6 factorial divided by?
2 factorial.
Because 6 minus
4.
6 factorial is 720. 2 factorial is 2. So 360. Total 360 words. Very good, Sajna Devi. Everyone okay? I am going to move to level 2 now. Level 1 is basic. If everybody clear, write CC1. People who are clear only should write CC1, nobody else. CC1. Level 1 clear. Level 2. When repetition so level 2 is about repetition or duplicates. Here what happens is, suppose if I give a simple example, say COLOR. If I say how many words can be formed? So obviously you'll say head equal to 5. R is not mentioned, R also 5, because we need all the 5 letters. So it will be 5 P5 normally. Divide by. Now if there is no repetition, answer will be 5 P5. But can you see O is repeated? Now tell me Dhanya, if this O are repeated, if I change this O to here, Dhanya unmute. If this O comes here
Yes, sir.
and this O comes here, my word will be same or different?
Same, sir.
Same. So it doesn't matter which O is O. So both
Yes,
O's
sir.
are same, then they are duplicates.
Yes, sir.
So we have to remove those duplicate words. How many O's are there?
2.
2. So we'll divide by 2 factorial. If there are 3, then 3 factorial. 4 factorial. My answer would be 5P5 by 2 factorial. So 5P5 is what? 5 factorial by 0 factorial. And divide by 2 factorial. Matlab 2 factorial also coming here.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. So answer would be 50. So only extra thing is, guy, what I wrote is the red here. That's it. Remove duplicates. That's it. Mute everyone, please. So number of words will be 60. Main point is remove duplicates. If I say my word is, suppose ELEVAN 11. If I say how many words? You will say, sir, first we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6P6. 6P6 means 6 factorial. Normally. But I have to remove duplicates because 1, 2, 3 E are there. So 3E means 3 factorial words will, this much times words will remove. 3 factorial. So answer is 6 factorial by 3. Only extra thing for duplicates is this. Why 3? Because there are 3 E's repeated. So 6 factorial by 3 factorial. 720 by 6. 120 number of words. If I change this to, suppose if I say,
Sir, instead we could have also just crossed the 6, like 6 into 5 into 4. Then we could have crossed the 3 by 3 factorial, isn't it?
you can do that, Asta. I'm not saying how you get the answer. My point is up to here. After how you calculate is on your side. You calculate calculate, you calculate multiply, total, you decide. Okay? And the way you are saying, I prefer that. But to explain, I could explain how it works. That's it. Next. TATTO. How many words? This is the last example, then you will solve. So I'll know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total words are 6P6, so 6 factorial. Divide by duplicates. How many duplicates are there? T, 3 T's. 3 factorial gone. Then 2 O's. 2 factorial gone. So 6, 5, 30 and 2, 60. That's it. Is it clear? No, I'm going to give 3 or 4 questions. Everybody should write answer and then I'll know how many you understood it. First of all, wherever repetition is there, first step, forget the repetition, get a total words. Total word is 6P6, means 6 factorial. Then remove duplicate, 3 T's, 3 factorial. 2 all, 2 factorial. Solve it, you get 60. Let's everybody try now. Onion. How many total words? Everybody find out. Everyone must write the answer or ask with a doubt. This is level 2 with repetition. So, Skan, Asta, Mushahid, Dhanu, and Sanjana Devi says 30. Meghna says 30. Dhanya says 30. What about Sitij? What about Rahul? Bikash? Everyone means everyone. Mani Pritam. Everyone should do it. Heram says 30. So, how we'll solve is, first we'll check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 5 factorial. Divide by repetition of O, 2 factorial. Repetition of N, 2 factorial. When you solve, you get 30. That's it. Next. So this time write answer only in the form of factorial. Just give the answer like this. So you will say, sir, 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. That's it. Calculation do at home later after class. After the class. Sinati. How many words can be formed? Tell me, everybody. Write only the form of factorials. Don't solve it. Heram, what should be the answer? Asta, what should be the answer and why? Quickly unmute everyone who are talking. Asta,
Yes, sir.
how shall we solve this?
First, we count the number of letters in the word, which is 9.
9. So, 9p, 9 is 9 factorial.
Then, since 9p, that will be 0 because 9 minus 0. Now we'll find the repetition of words. 1, 2 of C's, 3
2
of
of C's.
I's, and 2 of N.
So 2 of C's means 2 factorial gone. Then, what you said?
And 3 factorial and 2 factorial.
That's it. That is the answer. Very good. 9 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial. But, thank you, Asta. If I change the question, how many 5-letter words? Then what should be the answer, everyone? Tell me in the form of factorial only. How many 5-letter words? All answers are different till now. So tell me, Skan, how shall we solve this and why?
Repetition the same 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and again 2 factorial.
But Skan, your voice is too low. 5-letter words. First of all, what you going to
Sir,
do
can
here?
you hear me now?
Yes.
So N is 9, R is 5.
So it will be 9p5 divided by the duplicate. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now,
So
what
9
is 9
minus
by 5
5,
means? 9p5
yeah,
means 9
9
factorial
factorial by 9 minus 5 factorial.
4 factorial. And denominator remain as it is. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. And then simply put everything in a proper way. So 4 factor also come down, and that is the answer. Good, Skan. Everybody got it? A lot of people ask me, sir, what, why 4 factorial down, why multiply? It's a basic math of fractions. Anybody any question, ask me on that. 4 factorial goes down, everything is in the bottom now. 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. That is what? Total number of words. Tell me, is it clear or any doubt? How many 5-letter words? This many 5-letter words. Next. Everybody write answer in the form of factorial only. This question. Meghna will explain this. Okay, Meghna?
Yes, sir.
Mississippi, how many 7-letter words can be formed, everyone? Meghna, after 15 seconds. How many 7-letter words? Meghna, explain now to everybody how we'll do, how we'll start.
There is a 11 words.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 letters are there. Okay, so
And there is a 4 factorial words.
duplicates बाद में पहले we'll make this 7 letter. Duplicates के बाद
Okay.
करेंगे. 7 letter words. मतलब 11p what?
11 7.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
And then divide by duplicates. Now tell me.
Okay. There is
Next one.
there is 4 times S.
4 times s. So 4 factorial 4s. Then
And there is 2 times P.
so 2 factorial goes for p.
Then there is 3 times 1 2
4 times I.
4 times I.
4 factorial gone, right?
And 2 times okay. Done.
So out of 11, only m is the single, all others are 4, 2 or 4. So now how should solve this? 11p7 means what? 11p7 means what, Meghna?
I am little bit confused.
No, what is NPR means? See, this is total number of words divided by duplicates, right? Now we have to simply solve, Meghna. NPR. NPR is given by what?
Right. So,
N factorial. What is N here? 11, correct? What is R here? 7. Formula says N factorial by N minus R. 11 minus 7. So 4 factorial. That is what 11p7 means, right?
yes, sir.
And then copy denominator as it is.
4 factorial.
4 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial.
Yes, sir.
And finally, when we solve, this will also come down. So let me write here 4 factorial. This is gone. Ask me confusion, Meghna. Don't go with confusion, okay? Tell me the confusion.
एक्चुअली मैं कंफ्यूज यहाँ पे हूँ कि मतलब इतना तो मेरा सॉल्यूशन हो जाए, उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाई में क्या कंफ्यूजन है?
मतलब यू आर सेइंग आफ्टर दिस, इसके बाद या इसके मतलब स्टेप के बाद यू आर सेइंग, या स्टेप के बाद? चलिए मेघना, फर्स्ट स्टेप के बाद या सेकंड स्टेप के बाद? हेलो,
यस सर.
where is the confusion? After first step or second step?
First and second, after third step.
No, I wrote 1 or 2. After this what to do, is it?
Yes sir.
After that हो क्या करना है? open it up. 11 factorial means we'll open 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. But into 4, 3 to 1, yeah, into 4 factorial we can write, right? Divide by 4 factorial to leave as it is. Now 2 factorial means 2 into 1. Again 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2. Again 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2. Correct? What I did, Meghna, is I just opened everything. See,
Yes, sir.
11 factorial I opened as it is.
Okay, sir.
But instead of full, I wrote 4 factorial only, 4, 3, 2.
Yes, sir.
This I kept as it is because I can
Okay.
cancel this with this.
Okay.
Now simply calculation. 2 and 4, 8. 8 goes. 3 into 2, 6. 6 goes. क्या बच गया अब और
6.
4, 3, 2 and m. Say इस 2 से we cancel something like that. And then we cancel 3 with again 3. So we keep cancelling and get the answer.
Yes.
Then
Okay,
we
sir.
solve the question. Okay?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Concept wise, everybody is okay? Thank you, Meghna. How many?
Okay.
Thank you. How many 5-letter words for Honolulu? Tell me, everybody. How many 5-letter words for Honolulu? Divya, how shall we solve this?
The total 8 letters. Means
Total 8 letters.
You
So
said
8
a 5-letter
P-
word, so 8p5
Then
by 2 was 2 factorial, 2 else 2 factorial, 2 use 2 factorial. 8p5 means 8 minus 5, that is 3
so I write 8 factorial.
by 3 factorial.
So 3 factorial, I can take it down directly.
Yes, sir. 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So everybody is clear about level 2. We'll move to level 3 now. The most interesting level, CC2. Please write everyone CC2. Concept is clear. Then we'll move to level 3 now. Each one of you, please. I can still see only from 5 of you CC2. What are others? Shubham? Good. So level 3, I call it the most important level. You get lot of questions from level 3 exam, which says condition or restrictions. I'll give a simple example. Say word is table. How many words so that vowels are not together? No, I'll solve one question and then you will solve many questions. Many questions. Focus very carefully. Don't write answers till I ask you. Focus only on my whiteboard. We'll do this with 3 steps. 3 simple steps procedure. Step 1. Step 1 will always be find total words without condition. So if I don't see the condition, then it means total words we have to find out. Table means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5p5 or 5 factorial or 120 total words. No confusion, everybody knows that. Out of table, how many words I can form? 120, right? 5 factorial. Step 2. Find how many words where vowel are always together. Now we are finding ulta. We are finding words where vowels are always together. But if you want vowels to be together, then I have to join the vowel together. So A and E are vowels, I joined them together. Think like a box. You join both the vowel A and E together, and you close in the box, which you cannot see. So it will look like for you it's a single letter only because you joined and put inside the box. So what is remaining outside? So how it will look like? It will look like one letter this, 2, 3, 4. For you it will look only 4 letters. So if 4 letters are there, how many words can form? 4 factorial, right? 4 letters, 4 factorial words. Now you open the box and you find AE, 2 letters different. So with AE, how many words you can form more? 2 factorial more. So 24. "48 words are such that where vowels will always be together. Why? Because I joined them and looks like as one unit only. So out of 120, 48 words are having vowels together. So last step. Required words are out of 120, 48 are gone. So 72 words where vowels are never together. Take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this and then we'll discuss more and more on this. How many words where vowels are never together? 72 words where vowels are not together. Why? Because total 120 words, out of 120 words, 48 words will be such that A and E, 2 vowels will be together. To subtract, you get the most important step in this, step number 2, when you join. Is anyone any question on that? Anyone any question? Clear?
Sir, but if there are many vowels like A, E, I mean, if they're
All
like,
depends.
let's say,
See,
consonant,
So Asta,
and
see, in permutation, we cannot form our own question. There can be so different variation. Even if I change a single word, it will change. Concept is that make it together. We'll do that many questions now, okay?
no, sir, my doubt is that if there are many consonants, then how will we know that these many words can be formed between those letters? Like over here, there are only 2, so we know we can write it by AE or EA. But then
No, it is
if
not
there are
because,
many,
no, it is a permutation concept. When 2 letters are there, how many you form? 2p2, right? What is 2p2 means? 2 factorial, right? It's not because of AEA. It is because of concept of permutation. Suppose if I give just simple word AE and I apply permutation combination. What is N here? 2. What is R here? 2. 2p2 is how much? 2 factorial. Correct? If there are 3
yes,
factorial.
sir,
If there are 8 factorial. If there are 10 factorial. That's it. I am not saying AEA. I am saying concept wise 2 letters, 2 factorial. That's it. Let everybody solve the next question now. If I say color, now tell me what will be the answer and why. Mushahid, how shall we solve this? What will step word? Everybody solve it first, then Mushahid, if your audio works, we'll work together. No mic today. Okay, everybody write the answer first. Shubham, you will solve this then? First, everybody solve it. "96, 54, 48. Keep writing. Arey, what are others? Shubham, your audio working or not?
Hello, sir.
Hi, Shubham. Shall we solve it?
Yes, sir.
Shubham, first of all, tell me how many total words?
So 5.
Total are COLOR, 5. So how many total words can be formed? 5 factorial. 5p5 is 5 factorial.
120.
Divide by duplicates. OR duplicates, right?
Yes. 2 duplicates.
Duplicate we do. So total words will be only
60.
60 words. First step is done. Second step is what?
So vowels are together. We have to
So we can
O
put
and
like
together.
this.
CLR. Yes, sir.
So how will count? 1 is this.
And
2,
3 is
3,
PLR.
4.
3, 4.
4 means what? 4 factorial.
4 factorial. Divide by 2.
Into. Why divide by 2?
So 2O.
No, this is in the box. You are not seeing. You are counting it 1. You are not seeing inside what?
Yes, sir. 1.
4 factorial only.
Yes.
Now you open the box and you find both are O's. If 2 letters are there, how many words we form? 2 factorial.
2 factorial.
Divide by 2. Why?
Divide by
Because
2.
I'm talking only about this now. We opened it, found 2 letters, so 2 factorial. Divide by duplicate of this. So 24.
Yes, sir.
So we'll do first step, we'll do all together. And then we open the box and see only the inside.
Yes.
So total 24 words where vowels are always together. What is the final answer?
So 60 minus 24. 44.
Okay, that's it.
36.
Simple concept.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Anyone, any confusion here? What we did? I'll explain. Divya, you got it right. Can you explain again to everyone?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Start.
Yeah. Color is total 5 letters word.
5 letter
5
word.
5 factorial.
5.
And we have 2 words by 2 factorial.
2 or duplicates. So we do
Yeah.
because we have to use all the concept till now.
Yes.
So we got 60 total words, right? Without the
60
condition, total 60 words. Very good.
And we have two vowels, that is double O.
We kept
So
in the
we'll
box.
take that one.
Yes.
And CLR total 4. 4
Explain
factorial.
why 4, because Hiram is asking why 4 factorial.
Because in question you mentioned that vowels are not together. So we'll take that two
vowels are
vowels
together.
in one. Yeah.
So this will be 1 letter. This will be second. This will be third. This total 4 letters. So 4 letter means how many words? 4 factorial.
4 factorial.
Then
And we have two vowels, that is 2 O's. So 2 factorial. We have two same letters. So
so
by 2
duplicates.
factorial.
So they become 1.
4 factorial is 24.
So 24
And
words where vowels are always together.
Always together. So step 3 is we should minus that 60 words.
Obviously, from total words, we have to remove the words where vowels are together. Good, Divya.
Thank you, sir.
Haram, is it clear or not? Good. Anybody, any doubt?
Sir,
Yes, please.
in second step, why is the 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial, sir?
So, why 2 factorial by 2 factorial? What we did here first? What we did first thing, tell me here.
Sir, vowels are taken as one letter.
Means they are inside the box. We are not seeing. So we join together, right?
Yes, sir.
We joined together, and then we counted one as this, and remaining three more.
And
Total
remaining
four.
separately.
So that's why 4 letter with 4 factorial, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, this 2 letter also can be arranged. Though they are same, but suppose they are not same, then what? Suppose instead of O, it will be AO. Then you can arrange then also 2P2 form, right?
Yes, sir.
So just for concept I wrote here. I know my O will not differ.
Yes, sir.
Previous question, remember it was different A and E. So 2
Yes, sir.
letter can be arranged how many ways? 2
Two
factorial.
ways.
Now after that they are duplicates, right? Both are.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
That's right. Because I am writing for concept here. If you don't write here, when there's a when the number the letters are different, then you will confuse.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anybody, any question? Yeah, any other question? Let's try next question. This time I expect everyone to get it. Now, if I change this to say TA double T double O, how many words so that all T's are never together? Try everyone. Everybody try. TA double T double O. How many words so that T's are never, all T's are never together? 2T can come, but all 3 T's should not come together. Divya got 18. What others? Skan got 48. Okay. Mani Pritam, how shall we solve this? Mani Pritam, would you work with me on this? No. Kshitij, will you work with me on this? Kshitij? Okay, no answers. Skan,
Yes, sir.
how shall we solve the step 1?
Sir, number of words can be formed as 6 factorial.
Why 6 factorial? Because
6
6 letters. So 6 factorial.
So we have to remove the duplicates. 3 T's are there, so 3 factorial, 2 O's, 2 factorial.
Very nice.
720 by 24. Oh, sorry.
720 by 6 and 2.
60.
60 total words. Step 2.
So here it's given T should not be together, so all 3 in one box. And other.
Now, very interesting. Now, tell me.
Sir, 4 letters, so 4
Why 4?
factorial.
Because all T's are 1 only. So 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4. 4 letters.
4 factorial.
4 factorial.
Divided by 2 factorial because
Why?
2 O's.
Very good. See guys what he's saying. He is only considering this as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 letters, 4 factorial. But all are outside, so O can be duplicates. So remove duplicates. Then what?
Multiplied by 3 factorial by 3 factorial.
Why?
So TTT.
3 letters, 3T. All same, remove duplicates. So this
12.
will be 12 words where all three T's are together. So finally,
60 minus 12, 48.
very good. It is not as difficult, right? Very good, Skan. Anybody, any question? 48 is the right answer. You have to take care of duplicate, you take care of total words, you take care of the words where vowels are together, finally, not together. Okay?
Sir, repeat second step again, sir. It's a bit confusing.
देखो सेकंड स्टेप में क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Who is speaking?
Dhanushmati, sir.
धनु देखो, can I call you Dhanu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
धनु देखो.
Yes,
Second
sir.
step, what we need? All T should be together.
Yes, sir.
You join them to make only one letter.
Okay, sir.
So T is looking as one letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are there.
Yes, sir.
4 letters means how many words you can form?
4 factorial.
4 factorial. But in that 4 letters, O is duplicate.
So 2 factorial. Okay, sir.
Divided by 2 factorial. This is only about the 4 letters. But when you open the box, this box, you find 3 T's, right?
Yes, sir.
So 3 T's means how many words you can form up with 3 letters?
3 factorial.
But all the 3's are duplicate. So remove duplicate. We remove
Okay,
duplicate
sir.
how? Like this only, right? Always?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So next question you will solve with me. Okay? So that you will be more clear. Everybody try this. Question is this. O-N-I-O-N. How it so that consonants are never together. Everybody try. Dhanu, you will try after with me after 30 seconds. Okay? We'll solve it together.
Okay.
That is how let's solve everybody. Okay? Oh, sorry, unmute. Let's start, Dhanu. First, tell me, Dhanu, how many words? What is the first step, Dhanu?
Sir, 5 factorial.
5
7
factorial
plus
because
5
words
letters.
2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 factorial. Divide by.
Divide by 2 factorial into 2 factorial.
Very good. Why? Explain to everybody why 2 factorial, 2 factorial? Because
2 O's and 2 N's are there.
so both are gone. So 120 divided by 6, so 30 words
Yes, sir.
total. Very good. Step second. Dhanu, step second. What you put inside bracket?
Sir,
Dhanu,
N
correct.
together, sir.
What is remaining outside?
O-O-I.
Correct. Now, first of all, what you will do? You will consider this both together as 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4
4
means what?
factorial.
4 factorial.
Divide by 2 factorial, 2 O's are there.
Good. So that is done of the all total. But when
Yes,
you open
sir.
the bracket, you find 2 n's.
Then 2 factorial by 2 factorial.
Very good. When you solve this, you get 4 into 3, 12, 24 by 2, 12.
Yes, sir.
Finally, how many words will be there where n's are not
18,
together?
sir. 30 minus 12, it's 18, sir.
See, Dhanu, so clear for you now?
Yes, sir. Clear now,
Easy,
sir.
na?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Anybody any doubt? Mani, Mushahid, Ritesh, Khan has done. Anybody else? Kshitij? Where are you, Kshitij? Shubham? Haram got it. Meghna? Asta, Bikaj, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Superb. duplicate. Vowels. Tell me this question now, everybody on chat. Asta will solve this. Okay, Asta?
Okay, sir.
And then after this, guys, we'll move on to more different. We'll do 15 minutes more this, and then we'll start with combination. Everybody keep writing answers. Skand says 120. Okay. Sajda Devi is 120. Mushahid 120. Okay. Asta, are you ready?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, now I am.
Start. Step number 1.
Step number 1, we count the letter words. So there are 1, 2, 3, 6 letter words. Upon then it will be the repeated ones 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 factorial into 2 factorial.
2 K's and 2 T's. You to say like that. So,
Yes.
180 words total, right? Next what?
Yes. So now for the second step, we make the AI together and KKTT.
So,
So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
very
factorial
good. 5 factorial total words by
into 2 factorial.
divide by 2 factorial.
Yes,
Duplicates,
and
right?
2 K's and 2 T's.
So that is like total words. Then open the bracket. Now
Now for the bracket it will be 2 factorial.
2 factorial. No duplicates or nothing, right?
Yes. So it will be 60 and 180 minus 60 will be 120.
Very good. Easy, right, Asta? Good, Asta. You learned class
Yes.
11, 12th topic today. Okay. Good. Anybody any doubt? We'll move on to positions now. Level 4. Now I am moving to level 4, which says positional aspects. We'll talk about numbers also. Level 4. Positional aspects. For example, if I say table, how many words? So that vowels are always at corners only. When you say vowels are at corners only, think like that. Table is a 5-letter word. So 5 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. This is the corner position, this is the corner position. Vowels A and E should come and only at the corner. Suppose the A is here, E is here. So vowels are fixed now. How many positions are remaining now? 3 positions, 3 letters remaining. So 3 positions, 3 letters, 3P, 3 form. So 3 factorial number of ways into A and E. They also can 2 letters in 2 different ways, 2 positions starting and ending, right? A come in the start or A come in the end. So 2 different ways or 2 factorial different ways. So total is 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Total 12 words. So first you fix A in the corners, 3 remaining positions, 3 remaining letters. So 3 factorial ways. And my corner one also has 2 positions, 2 letters. So 2 factorial ways. That's it. Got everyone? If I change the word, and if I say cool, then tell me what will the answer. So this question can be done orally also, but we use the permutation. 1, 2, 3, 4 ways. 4 positions are there. Let's fix the O in the corners. 2 positions, 2 letters, C and L. So 2 factorial ways. Into this O and O, 2 position, 2 factorial by duplicates. So total is only 2 number of ways. Only 2 words we can form. And you also know the answer will be OCLO, OLCO. Nothing else you can form, right? 2 words only. Concept wise also you can see, direct also you can see. If I say if I change the question now, and I say, suppose, let me think. Eagles. How we saw that vowels always at odd positions only. So how many total there are? 6 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vowels are at odd position only. 1, 2, 3 vowels. This is position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many odd positions are there? This is the odd position, this is the odd position, this is the odd position. 3 odd position, 3 vowels. 3 factorial. But in the vowel, we have a E duplicate. So E duplicate. Always we will take care of. Into. If 3 vowels come at the odd position, here, here, and here, 3 position remains for consonants. 3 consonant, 3 position. 3 vector ways. So total is 80. That's it. Yes. Positional aspects, very important in numbers, we'll do now. But this is how it works. Got everybody?
Sir, can you like repeat this concept?
Total 6 letters, 6 position, right? Odd position, position number 1,
Yes.
3 and 5 are odd positions, right? And 3 vowels.
Yes.
3 vowels, 3 position. How many ways?
3.
But in the vowel, E is duplicate. So remove duplicate. So we have
2.
fixed the vowels. And remaining 3 consonant, 3 position. 3 factorial. That's it. Vowels and consonants.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Good. Now level 5 numbers, where we use positional aspect only. If I say, but in numbers, the one important thing is this: how many 3-digit numbers can be formed using digits 1, 4, 5 only. Repetition of digits not allowed. See, in digits they will mention in the question, because in alphabet it is not mentioned. By default it is not allowed. In the numbers we don't know. Numbers, that's the question will mention whether repetition allowed or not allowed. How are we going to do it? 3-digit numbers. So say first position, second position, third position. So we can use only 1, 4 and 5. So the first position, 1 can come, 4 can come, 5 can come. So 3 different ways. Into. So one of the digit is used already here. Second position, any 2 can come. So 2 ways. Third position, we already used 2 digits. So only one of the digit remaining, any one. So 1 way. So total number of numbers are 3 into 2 into 1, 6 numbers. That's it. We have to go by positional aspect. First position, any 3 can come. Second position, any 2 can come. Third position, any 1 can come. So total number of numbers are 6. You can check also 145, 154, 4.
So, sir, if there were 4 of them, we would have used 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Where is 4 here? There are only 3 letters and 3 word numbers, na? 4 ka hai?
No, sir, but if there were 4 digits, then would we use that like
Obviously,
4
this is the
factorial?
starting question. Yeah, we are going to more deep. Yes, you are right. And if you check also 145 or 154, 415 or 451, 541 or 514. Nothing else you can form. Can you form anything else here? 6 numbers, right? Everybody? Because repetition is not allowed. But if I change the question, I say repetition is allowed. So at first position, any 3 can come. Anybody, 1, 4, 5. Second one also any 3 can come. And last also any 3 can come. So 3 into 3 into 3, 27 numbers. Because you can form 1, 1, 1, you can form 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5. You can do so many things. Because you can repeat now. So that's why there will be total 27 numbers. Okay. If I change this, and say how many if I say how many 4 digits from the 1, 4, 6 and 7, 1, 4, 6 and 5, repetition not allowed. So what we going to do, Divya? 4 positions.
The answer is 24. That is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Yes, but you have to explain, Divya. Answer I know.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
This is not for
First
you,
we-
this is for everyone.
Okay. Okay. Sorry.
So, because you can see only 1 or 2 can answer. Oh, everybody else is wondering. So first position, why 4?
Because we have 4
Any of the
digits,
4
so any-
any of the 4 numbers can come.
Yeah. One
Then
is completed, so any of the 3 will come here.
any 3 numbers can come.
Yeah.
Good.
And 3 completed, only 2 remaining, so 2 into 1.
That is the reason, guys. Now, why I'm explaining this, because in the difficult question, we have to be very, very careful. So, total number of numbers are 24. That's it. Thank you, Divya. Everyone is okay?
Thank you, sir.
Total 24 numbers. Everybody clear? Because I'm going to ask a difficult question now. If not, then ask me now. For others, guys, we have so many people, nobody is responding. Vikas, Dhanu, Dhanya,
Sir,
Aram, Mani, Meghna, so many people. Yes, please.
sir, what if the number has 1405?
I am coming
A
to
zero
that.
in between.
I am coming to that now. That is the
Okay,
next
sir.
level. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, Sajna Devi, you will do that next question if you want. So, what if I change the question now? See very carefully now. If I change the date, say anything, say instead of 6, it is 0, suppose. How many 4D numbers can be formed? Method remains same. Sajna Devi, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever there is special number 0, we cannot start from left to right randomly. We have to always start from the first digit. Why? Because what we have to condition, we have to take care of the special conditions. 0 is special because when 0 comes the starting, number becomes 3 digit only. Right?
Yes, sir.
So how many numbers can come in the first position?
3.
3, either 1, 4 or 5.
Yes, sir.
3. How many numbers can come in the second position?
It can be 4. No.
Out of 4, 1 number is used.
Yes, sir. Then 3.
Any 3 can come because one of them will be used. So any 3 can come. What can come in the third position?
2.
Any 2 because out of 4, 1 is used here, 1 is used here. So 2. What is in the last? Only the
1.
last remaining one. So the answer would be 18 numbers. Okay, Sarna?
Okay, sir.
Super. Anybody else? Total 18 numbers are possible because 0 is there. If I change the question now, how many 4 digit? Play 3, 7, 2, 9. How many 4 digit odd numbers? So put 4 position again. Now tell me, Skand, odd position means when you start from starting or end?
End.
Because even an
We
odd is always
determine-
guided by the last digit.
Yes.
So we'll always start, see, if it is 0, start from the starting. If it is the odd or even, start from the end. So how many numbers can come in the last position, Skand?
3.
Only 3, 7 or 9. So 3 numbers. Because we need odd numbers. Now remaining 3 positions you can fill in anywhere, doesn't order. So let's start from starting again. How many numbers can come in the starting, Skand?
Sir, 3.
Any 3
Because
because 1 is
one
used.
is used.
Any 1 is used. What
So
about
2
the
are
second
used.
position?
So 2.
And then
1.
3 into 2 into 1 into 3,
18.
you will again say 18. So how many even numbers? This is odd. How many even numbers we change the question, Skan? Okay, wait, Skan. Let somebody else try.
Okay.
Dhanya. Thank you, Skan. Dhanya, if I say same question, how many even numbers?
Yes, sir.
Then what you will do?
From last,
On the last, how many numbers can come?
1, sir.
Only one, which is 2.
2,
So only one way. In the starting,
3,
next,
2,
next,
1, sir.
1. So how many numbers can be formed?
6.
6 even numbers.
Yes, sir.
And total, how many numbers are forming from here? 18 plus 6?
24.
24. And the same question, if you do without condition, total learn, how will you say?
Without condition, 3, sir.
4. No, without condition means no even odd. Total number.
Okay,
So
sir.
you
Okay,
say
sir.
4
4.
into
3,
3 into 2 into 1. How many are there?
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
So it verified from here, right? We found 18 odd 6 even. We total 24. We directly also found total 24.
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Any question, anyone? But if I go more deep, if I give more difficult question, last question on this. If I say how many 4-digit even numbers can be formed and I put 0 also there, then guys, it is lot of problems. 4-digit even numbers formed from say 1, 4, 0 and say 6. Try everybody. I'll give you 1 minute. This is a difficult question. Okay, see now. The problem is start from a starting or end. 0 is even also, 0 is special also. That's the problem, right? So if we start from the end, then there's a problem. If we start from the starting, then it's a problem because 0 where we consider starting or end. It will not work like this. We have to work this question in two stages.
Sir, any because 0 and that we will still get that. So any.
It doesn't work like that. If you start from any, answer will be definitely wrong because all of your answers are wrong. Believe me, every one of your answers is wrong here. So I'll tell you why. Because when it's an even number, 0 can come in the starting, 0 can in the end. Then how will it solve? So first we'll find out in two stages. First we find out total numbers. Means odd plus even. So total number means what comes in the end. Odd means I'm not worried about odd or even. I'm worrying about total numbers. Total number means in the starting 0 cannot come. No, Asta, 0 is there na. So only 3 numbers can come in the starting.
I'm sorry, by mistake I wrote that.
Wait. So at the second position, anything can come except the one used number. So 3 more. Third position, any 2 can come. And the last position, remaining one number. So 18 total numbers means odd plus even both. Okay. Now we'll find how many odd numbers can be formed. Now if you have to do odd numbers, then only one can come in the end. Or you can say, so only one can come. Nothing else can come. In the starting, 0 cannot come. 1 also cannot come because 1 will be in the last. So only 2 numbers can come. Out of 4, 2 are used, 2 can come. And only 1 can come. So total 4 odd numbers. So even numbers would be 18 minus 4. Lot of people do this mistake. There is a condition of coincidence where you have even also and 0 also. So right answer is 14 even numbers. Total 18, out of 18 4 are odd. So 14 even. Right. So don't do this directly, sir. We can start from anywhere, left, right, start or end. It doesn't work like that. Because how you know we are forming numbers? You're cutting 0 in the starting, then you are missing the 0 in the end. You're missing 0 in the end, you are missing starting. You cannot do like that. You have to split the question. That is why 14. Understood, everyone? Ask me question. Everybody do same question with 3 digit. Now, tell me the answer for now. How do you do this now? Danu, explain.
Yes, sir. So
Explain.
first total number. Yes, sir. Total number of
Numbers.
3 when we consider 3 digits, we have to take from the end, sir.
Okay, total numbers. Let me make it 3 positions. Array from the end. No.
So
You have to-
from
because 0 is there. So you always start from starting.
yes, sir. First position can be filled by two numbers. One is
Correct.
used, another one 2 we can use.
Correct.
Then 1, sir. So total number 4, sir.
4 numbers which are including odd plus even.
Yes, sir.
Now odd numbers.
Now only odd numbers. The end position can be filled by 1 number, sir.
You are right.
First position 0 should not come, so only 1.
Because 0 should not come, plus 1 also is used.
1 is already used, so remaining 1. Then 1, sir.
Good.
Totally 1 number odd.
Good. So
Now even numbers 4 minus 1, 3, sir.
Good. And if you see also, guys, 1, 6 and 0. So you can say 160 or 610. Or 6 can come in the end, 106. Nothing else you can form. Can you form anything else? No, very good. Nanu.
Thank you, sir.
So only 3 numbers are possible. Ask me anybody. We solved it using the concept and we verified also. Any question, anyone? We do the last 30 minutes. Combinations. CC5 done. Now combinations are much easier than permutation. What is the difference between combination and permutation?
Sir, order does not matter.
You are there in my M2 class, is it, Skan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So permutation and combination, bigger difference is order does not matter. In permutation, when I say ABC, if I form AB and form BA, they are two different words. But in combination, whether I use AB or BA, I am using both of them too. So in combination, order does not matter. So when order does not matter, we use combination. And that's why we use combination in selection. In selection, it doesn't matter whether you selected first A person first or B person first. If suppose if I say, listen very carefully, there are A, B and C, 3 persons are there. If I need to select 2, how many ways I can select? I can select AB, I can select AC, I can select BC. So shall I also write BA here? No, because either I use AB or BA. I am selecting both of A and B, right? So it doesn't matter in which order I select. If I select A first or B first, does not matter. So not count both. I count only one of them. That's why it is called combination where selection is done. Order does not matter. Whenever order does not matter, use the combination. And combination is given by NCR and CR. N and R is same definition. And total number of items are items taken at a time. N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. Extra R factorial will come here. So number of combination will be N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial in the denominator. So number of combination will always be lesser than permutation or maximum equal only. It cannot be more because we are dividing by some number. For example, if I say 5C3, 5C3 means 5 factorial divided by N minus R, 5 minus 3, 2 factorial into R factorial, 3 factorial. Or it means 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. Just to this I am writing, otherwise we can do orally also. 2 factorial, 3 factorial. 3 factorial, 3 factorial cancelled. 5, 4, 20 by 2, 10. Total 5C3 means 10. What is extra coming in this compared to permutation? Only this is coming extra in the denominator. Okay, everyone. So before we solve a question, I want everybody to say 6C3. Tell me the value of 6C3 so that I know that everybody is okay. 6C3, how much is the value? Everybody calculate. Solve it. Astas can solve it. So it is 6 factorial by 6 minus 3, 3 factorial, and again 3 factorial. We solve 6 into 5 into 4, 20. 20 is the answer, that's it. Okay, Kshitij, are you good till now? So that is how combination can be calculated. Now we are going to solve in next 20 minutes lot of questions. Suppose a team of 5 members needs to be selected from from 4 boys and 5 girls. That is the condition, the question given. Now I am going to ask you many questions. Question 1. Simple question. In how many ways members can be selected? Answer will be direct. How many total members? 9. Combination C. How many to select? 5. Answer is 9C5. Out of 9 people, you have to select 5. So 9C5 is the answer. Done. If I ask the second question now, so that team has 2 boys and 3 girls. Very simple. We have to select 2 boys out of 4 boys, 4C2, and 3 girls out of 5 girls, 5C3. Done. It's all one minute job. That's it. 4C2 into 5C3. This many number of ways. Calculation part we are not doing, but if you want to calculate also, 4 into 3, 12, by 2, 6, 5 into 4, 20, by 2, 10, 60 ways. Done. Okay, third question you are going to do now.
Sir, I don't get question 2.
How many ways member can be selected? Total how many members to be selected? 5. Out of 5, I want 2 boys and 3 girls. How many boys are there?
4.
Asta, 4. How many boys to be selected?
2.
So how will you select 2 boys out of 4 boys? 4C2, right?
Yes, sir. Got it.
4
now.
is
Thank
total,
you.
2 is selected. Similarly, 3 girls out of 5. That's it. So that team has 4 girls and 1 boy. Tell me everybody now. Just tell me the form of C only. Don't try to calculate. Just tell me the form of C. Every one of you. We are going to increase the level slowly. Divya, explain.
So 4 girls. So
4
5
girls
girls
to be
are there.
selected. Correct.
Yeah, 5 girls are there. So 5C4.
And
1 boy should be selected and 4 boys are there. So 4C1.
too easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Superb. Everybody okay?
Thank you,
Question
sir.
number 4. Thank you, Divya. Question number 4. So that team has, let me modify it. So the team has Wait. Tell me, everybody. Meghna, tell me, how should we solve this? Meghna, are you there? Vikash? Vikash, how shall we solve this? So it is no boy, I mean all girls only. 5C5 into 4C0. Even you don't write 4C0, no problem, because 4C0 is 1. 5C5 is also 1. Final answer is 1 only. And obviously it gets it only one way, because you study all girls. There is no choosing, right? It's only one way. So this is easy questions. Now we'll move on to a little different one. Question 5. In how many ways so the team has at least you can say 3 girls or at least 4 girls? How is all this? No, at least, at most is totally different from exact numbers. So whenever at least is there, make a scenarios. First scenario, 4 girls, 1 boy. Or second scenario, all 5 girls. Correct? At least 4 girls means 4 girls or more. So 4 girls, 1 boy or 5 girls. 4 girls, 1 boy. 4 girls means 5C4. And 1 boy means 4C1. Or means plus 5 girls. Done. That is how you solve combinations. Got everybody? Next. Question number 6. So that team has more number of boys than girls. Tell me, everybody on chat. Scenario is right, Askan. First of all, you always should write the scenarios, guys. You will never make a mistake. Who will explain this? Divya, there are no 5 boys. I know scenario can happen, but there are only 4 boys overall also.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, that is the only reason. Otherwise, you are right.
Okay.
So, who will explain me? Asta, how shall we do this? more number of boys than girls. Asta, unmute. These are two scenarios, right? So 4 boys out of 4 boys, 4C4. 1 girl out of 5, 5C1. Plus 3 boys, 4C3. 2 girls, 5C2. That's it, everyone. Any questions so far? Question 7th. So that team has at most Sanjana Devi. How shall we approach this one? At most 3 girls. Scenarios. Sanjana Devi, are you there? Three girls, 2 boys. Or 2 girls, 3 boys. Or 1 girl, 4 boys. No, 5 boys cannot be there, so that's it.
Sir, but at most is like maximum, isn't it? So we should have the maximum of. Oh, okay, sir. Never mind.
No problem. Okay. So 3 girls, 2 boys, or 2 girls, 3 boys, or 1 girl, 4 boys. Maximum number of girls can be 3 only. So 3 girls, 2 boys, 5C3 into 4C2. Or means plus 2 girls, 3 boys, or 1 girl, 4 boys. Done. So easy, right? Permutation and combination. Anyone, any confusion on these combinations? Move on. A bag contains 5 red, 4 green, 3 blue balls. 3 balls are selected at random. Bag contains 5 red, 4 green, 3 blue. Let me write a question here. In how many ways 3 balls can be selected? Tell me, everybody, quickly. Total 12, so 12C3. Correct? If I say such that only red balls are selected. Then what you will do? Obviously 5C3. So that how do question number 3? So that blue balls are not selected. It means the balls will be selected only from red and green. 9C3. How do you do that? Meghna, are you there? Can you explain how you do this? Unmute. In how many ways 3 balls can be selected such that all balls are of different colors? Meghna? Shubham? Who will explain? Kshitij? New people who has not explained at all today. Arey, 3 naam bola, nobody else is coming. Who will explain this? Dhanya, you will explain?
Yes, sir.
Please explain.
Okay, sir. 5C1, 4C1,
Arey,
3C1, sir.
not the answer. The answer to you have to explain why, how.
Because we need to select 3 different colors, so there is no repetition of same colors.
Correct. So that's why one ball should come from red, one should come from green, and one should come from blue.
Yes, sir.
So 1 red out of 5
3C1.
red. And
4C1.
And 3. Because we
3
need one
seconds, sir.
ball from each color. Right, Danu.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. That's it. And if I change the question number 5 to now what? Mani Pritam, your audio works. Or Ritesh, your audio works. Arey. Who want to explain this question?
Sir, may I try?
Yes.
Sir, basically we from all colors we can take 3 ball, 5C4 3
So it can be all
plus
red.
4C3.
You have to say the scenario first, not the answer. All red.
Okay, all red or all green or all blue.
That is the point. After that, very easy. So all red means what? Asta.
5C3.
Then plus or multiply?
plus.
Plus, because it is all green.
Yes, sir. Plus 4C3 plus 3C3.
That's it. Very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Good, Asta. Got it, everyone? Meghna, are you there? Shubham, are you there? Is it clear, everyone? If I change this question, how many 3 balls will such that? Such that at least 2 red balls are selected. How will do this? Divya?
Sir, 2 red and 1 blue.
2 red, 1 blue.
2 red, 1 green. 1 red, 1 green.
No, at least 2 red.
Okay. 3 red
That's it.
and 2 green.
Nothing, right? 3 red. 3 only we need to select, right?
Okay. 3 balls only. Yes,
Nothing
sir.
else, correct?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So we have to write this now. 2 red, 1 blue.
2C2 and 2.
Correct? 2 red, 1 green.
5C2 into 4C1.
Too easy, right?
Plus 3C3.
5 C.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Divya. Everybody okay? So that is what permutation combination, guys. That's all. Ask me anything. In next session, we'll start with a new topic. Permutation, combination, probability. All three are very important for modern maths. Okay. If any question, ask me. Else we are done for today. We'll meet in the next class next Sunday. Thank you, everyone. And bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.